Hello everyone. How's everyone doing today? Hello. Alright, so today we're going to try and get the new changes deployed. There's a couple other things we got to do to fix stuff, but then I want to get these out and deployed. Hold on. Just a second. Okay. I don't know why Steam is open, but we can go ahead and close that. Okay. There we go. We're back. We're back. All right. So these spawn areas need to be updated. Any pathing enemy paths I think need to be redone. I need to change the title screen so it can allow either endless or like arcade, I should say arcade or round play. Okay. Hopefully that's good, but we'll see. Not the walls. Rounds. Round one. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to move this here, then grab this. And then I'm going to copy this. And then for all of these, oh, I lied, not all of these. I actually have to expand all of them. Can you do like this and then expand? Apparently not. Okay. So now all of these, unselect all the rounds. So that way we just get the actual spawners. And paste component values. Now for this, they're all like that. Okay. If I change this to here, and then we did this through here. Yeah, okay. Cool. All right, so now they should all be in here. Honestly, I think that's fine for now. I think that's okay. And then enemy one path. I think I'm gonna do it like this, this, and this. All right, let's play test this, see if it works, see what's popping. You know, I forgot. I have to turn all these off. Otherwise, I just get like 1,000 enemies spawn in the first second. Okay. So yeah, that was not the greatest idea, but. Okay. Oh, frozen. Okay. Okay. Yeah, I'm gonna tune down the knockback. But everything other than that looks pretty good, honestly. Projectile. All right. So where's the knockback? Yeah, so we're gonna do times knockback. Obviously it doesn't exist, so we're gonna do multiplier for knockback of the projectile. Public float knockback. Okay. Do that. Now this works, or now we have some sort of gauge on the knockback. So I'm going to go to yeah, actually, I'm going to do this here. I'm gonna have to do object transform. Does that work? Do we think that's gonna work? It should. Yeah, no console issues. Okay. Then let's go to projectiles. And for all of these. Oh, interesting. Yeah, there we go. We actually want it to be there. Projectile script. Knockback, let's do 0.5. But then for the bomb, I actually want to do like 0.75. Okay. All right, let's see if this works. See how that feels, see how it feels. Okay, so I think there was an error. There was an error. Projectile 147 is here. Everything should have a status on it. There is no rigid body 2D attached to the spawner back game object. Why is it hitting spawner back? It doesn't have a tag. I don't know what kind of noise that was. That was a funky noise the cat just made. All right, I don't know why it's hitting spawner back. That's a new one. Because 146... Wait a second. So this is saying if it's not... Oh, if this is not... If this is not what's firing it, essentially. If not, friendly fire. Yeah. Okay. So then it looks to see if it's a bomb. If it's a bomb, then it says, is this a wall? No. Okay, if it's not a wall, then do such and such. Which means that it goes in here. I mean, we could just do this then, I guess. That should solve for any issues. Ah, dang it. I always do that. Whoops. Okay. So this should be a little bit better. Should get rid of the errors with that. Yeah, it's not as bad as all. Why am I taking way more knockback? Okay. I do want to change that too. I want to change the tongue. Okay, so if the current state is retract, and current state equals neutral. Oh, if it equals, okay. So if we're retracting, so yeah, we just say if fully retracted position. But then otherwise you want to check if you're in the retract position, and you want to retract, which means oh, once you do this, once you do object hit, if it's an enemy, then I don't, oh, yes. Yeah, so here we want to retract when hitting non-enemy. Or say like rebound off non-enemies. Ignore self, which is what this does. And then also grab enemies while extending. So you want to do that, and then you want to do object dot game object dot get component status equals, or yeah, you do status and then activate stun. For time, do mathf dot infinity. Don't do that. Just do 20 seconds. Stun indefinitely. Stun for 20 seconds. Because that will never be longer than in tongue 4. And then is there a release? No, you can't release them ever. So yeah, it doesn't really matter. Longer than it takes to eat. Okay, then they won't be able to shoot because enemy movement. Does it check for shooting? No, we'd have to go to enemy shoot, right? Do if get component enemy movements, or we could do like status maybe. Dot is this dot I have activate freeze, I have freeze, activate stun, stunned, but all the variables are all private. Enemy shoot, all of these are, or enemy movement is stun, is boolean, or both false. All right, we'll do oh wait, no. We'll do this. We'll go down here. We'll say public void set shoot ability. I call this bool can shoot. Oh my gosh. And then can shoot equals can't shoot. Okay, so that's good. Where are my errors at? Here, it's fine. Because status is going to give us, or no, status is going to I have to make sure that I do this right. So like here in tongue, we did activate stun. Okay. So then, yeah, an activate stun, an enemy, we should do get component, enemy shoot. Not space. Enemy shoot. Set shoot ability. Is that what I called this? My mouse is bugging today. That is what I called it. Okay. So now, there's errors. Why is there errors? Enemy shoot. Oh, yeah, there's errors because this should be can shoot. Oh, if you can't shoot, so yeah. Now we're doing good. Now we're doing good. Okay, now let's see. And they shouldn't be able to shoot us once they're in the tongue. Interesting. Okay. Oh, here we can test it here. Okay, so a couple things I want to do. Projectile. For the player, I want to multiply this by like 0.7 or something. Just because they're getting knocked back a little too much, in my opinion. How does the player movement work? Because I feel like that's an issue. Let's jump. Are we on curve move? Is that what we're doing? Pretty sure we are. Yep, so we're on curve move, which means interesting. All right. Well, that's, it's okay. It's okay. It's okay. We're gonna. Let's go ahead and save this scene. Let's go to the other scene. Well, how does one start off? This one starts off like this. Intro panel, intro body. So in this game, you will attempt to fend off bugs. Fend off the bugs. You eat bugs to kill them in game power-ups. Gain their power-ups. You can hold 2 power-ups at a time. Try and last all 15 rounds. Okay. That's good. Okay, let's go ahead and save this again. And now let's go to the other scene. End the scene. Or wait, no, let's go here. Actually, I lied. It's not good. Intro panel, intro title. I want to change the title. Let's say arena style. Then let's save this. Go to endless scene. And then this is going to be, intro title will be arcade style. Okay, now let's add another panel. Oh wait, actually, let's delete this. Let's duplicate the about panel and then show the about panel. Let's get rid of the intro panel. And then first of all, we're going to call this the yeah, we'll call this the start panel. Start title, and this should be, I'm gonna, props to whoever said this. Somebody said this in some chat. Props to whoever said it, but we're rebranding this into Battle Frogs. Battle Frog. It's only one frog right now. Can you go here? Can we just expand this a little bit? Yeah. How is this? Oh, hold on. Yeah, there we go. And then I just want to move the Y position down just a tad. Okay. And now the body. Where's the body? Here. Should be, actually there shouldn't be a body. Let's delete this. Let's go duplicate. So there's resume button. Resume button 1, we're gonna call, instead of the resume button, it's gonna be arcade style button. And then we're going to just go ahead and move that up. And it's going to say arcade. Can we put style in there? We can. Okay. And then resume button 2 is going to be, arena style. Arena style button. Move this up as well. And then this is going to say arena style. And then we're just going to move this down a little bit. Actually, position is what, 147? Let's do 145. 100, so we're separated by 45 there. Actually, no, let's do more like separate by 50 at 145, so 95. Yeah, that seems fine. And let's copy paste this. Move it down just a, nope. Let's do this duplicate. And this is going to be start caption. Select your style of play. We do not need that many E's. We're going to take the font size down. Honestly, that's probably good. And yeah, start caption. How are we looking? Okay, and then for these buttons, can we do wait, can we do like instead of an on click? Let's see. Unity button action on hover. Let's see. How to attach a hover event to a button. I have a UI button. Can I attach a hover event listener? Oh, you attach an event trigger script. Interesting. And no event type. I'm gonna assume it's pointer enter. Let's look at the Unity docs though to see if that's actually accurate. Because I could be wrong on that. Pop-up windows are in my way. This. I think it's this. Wait, can I just... Oh wait, no, do this. And event trigger. Supported events. Okay, on pointer enter calls when pointer enters the object. I'm going to assume that that's right. So we needed an event trigger and an event. Oh wait, no. Remove. We need one for pointer exit. So we have pointer enter, pointer exit. So hover and unhover or whatever. So now in the game manager, we need a public void open arcade scene. And then it's going to be scene manager dot load scene one. Okay. And then I think we need like an open start menu or something. Public void. And let's do open. Oh, it should be open arcade intro. Or let's just do select arena. And then select arcade. And this should actually be that. And this should just this should be how do we know which one to when we start the game, how do we know which one to disable? Right, because intro panel start button on click calls button dot close panel. Interesting. Interesting. Okay. Well, I guess. Oh, see, that's not good because that's just a generic button script for closed panel. You should not, you don't want this generic closed panel function to be starting the game. That's not really all that great. But I guess it is what it is. Okay, so we'll say public game objects instructions menu. And then from here, select arcade should set interesting. We're also going to need the start menu. Because we're going to need to do start menu dot active equals false. What is this? And then instructions menu select active, except that should be true. All right, so let's try and put all these pieces together before I get too far down the rabbit hole. So this is the first menu you see, which is the start menu. The arcade style button. Oh, first of all, this is the say exit button, and it should say exit. So the arcade style button should in the game manager hold on. I have to go to the game manager first. Because the rounds text. Oh, that doesn't exist here. Remaining enemies. Doesn't exist either. I want to make sure that all this is good. I think remaining enemies is better. Okay. I'm going on so many tangents, so many like side quests in this, but okay. Okay, so this can go, no, game manager. Now this can go here. And then start menu is the intro panel. No, instructions menu is the intro panel. Start menu is the start panel. Okay. Now, in the start panel, the arcade style button has action select arcade. The arena style button has action select arena. Exit button should have action how do you end game? Where's mine? Unity exit game command. Application.quit. Okay. Alright, let's do public void. Oh my gosh, that was so bad. Public void exit game application quit. Okay, cool. So then exit button does that. And then last but not least, Actually, it's not last or least, but that's fine. The intro panel, I think, is fine. Is everything else fine? I don't really know. Let's go ahead and save this. Okay, let's test it out. There's definitely going to be some weird errors in here. Or, like, there's just going to be some, like, dead ends. But, okay. Let's do arcade style. Okay, we need to fix that. Okay, interesting. First of all, intro panel, intro title. We did not have that there. Then can we put the walls to actually have a sprite? That would be good. Okay, let's try this again, and let's go to arena style this time. Okay, so the problem is file, build settings. No. Save this, go to the other scene. File, build settings, add open scene. Oh. What? Oh, okay, so I guess I never added the other one. That makes sense. Yep, okay, cool. Save. Okay, now let's try this again. Try this again. Arena style. Arena style, perfect. The real question is, do we duplicate the round scene? And then just change the one spawner, get rid of the round manager? We'll see, we'll see. Rename extra so I can keep it straight. What I should do is do that. And now I know which one's which. That's actually really smart. Okay. We're going to go to the end of the scene. I want to go to the main canvas. Because this is the main difference is this, right? This and this. Can I copy these? And then paste these. So if I went to build settings, and then what if I did this? What else is different? Wait, does this not have a... Oh, enemy count caption. Wait, where the fuck is it? Oh, where is it? Where is it? My bad. I apologize for that. That's on me. Why is it not showing up though? Brother, what you... Oh, that's why. Checks out. Yeah, just get rid of this intro panel. I actually don't know why they're not showing up at all. I do not know what is going on. This is just, both of these are just text objects. There's nothing underneath them. Oh. It's because the text isn't... Oh my gosh, bro. It's because the text wasn't... Okay, that looks good. Copy that, go here, save that, yeah. Just shift that, delete, paste as child. Okay. Oh yeah, because this will copy the bigger everything, and then the camera size, all of that. So what's the only thing that's different? So there's no rounds, that's different. And then there's no... We don't have a round manager. So just remove that component from there. And then we have to change the the start panel is this here, and then set the main menu to this intro panel here. Oh, and then rounds text and remaining enemies is there. Okay. Okay, so let's start here. Arcade style. Okay. So go to the start panel. Expand it. Go to the arcade style button. Select the game manager and then do game manager. Select arcade. Go to the arena style. Throw the game manager in there and then go ahead and select arena. Exit button. Throw the game manager in there. It should be exit game. Nope. That's close. Exit game. Okay. Let's go ahead and try this. Arcade style. Boom. Okay. So I clicked that and everything just got obliterated. What is this button? Oh, settings. Probably don't want to spell button like that. Okay. Intro panel, start button. What is this not doing? It does close panel. The variable game manager of button has not been assigned. Game manager. Okay. This might cause some issues, but it'll just be like reference things like that can easily be fixed. I feel like this is the way to do it, honestly. There's no spawners. That is something. Does game manager have a max enemy threshold? Yeah, so in extra, set it to like 30. And then we're going to go to rounds. We're going to grab what's round 10? Round 10 is you have a back spawner and then this spawner. Okay, let's do this. Let's copy these two. And then go here. Just paste them in here. And then for both of them, set the spawn limit at like just like 1,000,000. Yeah. Okay, well, that's as many as I can do. So That should last them for a while. Okay, in the settings panel, can we open this up? All right, let me copy and paste this. What's this is at 118. Can we just make this like 120? Or whatever, make it 110. What? One ten. 10. Okay. But this is not going to be about button 1. This is going to be switch mode button. Which all this is going to do is load the first scene. Text is going to say switch mode. And the button is going to public restart game. Is there a restart game? What happens when the player dies? Player dies. Player dies. What happens when the player dies? Restart game. There already is a restart game. Yep. Okay. Should have known. Actually, what? Okay. Switch mode is going to go here. Game manager, restart game. And then we're going to go ahead and copy this button. Let's copy this whole thing actually over to the rounds page. Is everything in here? No, it's not. Okay. So yeah, we'll just copy these. Like the resume button is close. Okay, yeah, so resume is game manager and then close settings menu. Controls button is open controls menu. Makes sense. Okay. It should be pretty straightforward. Open controls menu. And then open the about menu. And then this is game manager. Restart game. And we're just going to go ahead and delete this. Settings panel. Get rid of that so it's not one. And then also do that. And then change this name to settings button. Okay. Awesome, awesome, awesome. Okay, let's go ahead and save this. Load up the extra scene. Settings panel. Clear that out. Okay, so select your style. Let's go arcade. Arcade style. There are enemies. Alright, controls, back, about, back, switch mode, arena style. So we got this. It doesn't do anything. Okay, so here, the settings button, we need to do something. Oh. So it just doesn't like the settings panel, or like what's going on here? Or that was, yes, okay, hold on. This one, these were way up here, yeah. We gotta rein that back in here. Okay, so save this, then go back to rounds, go to game manager. Oh, all these menus need to be redone. Settings is here. Start menu is intro panel. No, intro panel is instruction menu. I mean, start menu is this, but I don't think that should ever matter. It doesn't actually have a start menu. Okay, let's try this again. Also, just in case, I feel like this should automatically load scene 0. So let's say for some reason I start this up like this. What's it gonna do? Oh, what? Ah, 0. Whoops, wrong number. Right. I think this is actually gonna work out. I think I should be able to get this deployed just before 7 o'clock. Maybe the next like 20 minutes. Okay, so I don't really know what's going on there. They're dancing. That's fine. All right, let's go arcade style. Art, arena, Oh, the game just completely froze. Why do we think it did that? Is it gonna happen every time? Like, what's going on here? What's going on here? So it's trying to load both of them? Oh, what it's trying to do is the game manager from 1 is trying to load. I think it just continuously loads 2. It jumps back and forth, back and forth. Yeah, okay, so don't do that. Don't do that. Yeah, it just jumps. Sorry for hitting the mic, but it just jumps back and forth and back and forth and back and forth because it loads. Well, no, it just keeps loading the scene over and over and over again because it loads a scene and then it gets the start method. And it's like, all right, load the scene. All right, load the scene. Start method, load the scene. Okay. We don't want it. No, that's actually terrible. We don't want to do that because every time, yeah, no. Okay. So we just have to make sure we're on extra whenever we start. Okay. Makes sense. Okay. Arcade style. Boom. Controls. Back. About. Back. Resume. Back to settings. Switch mode. Go to arena style. Start. Thing looks right. Okay. Well, it stops the game, but it doesn't do anything. Okay, interesting. So it's still this rounds method or this rounds scene that's kind of messing up. Settings button, what does it do? It opens the settings menu in the game manager. So if you go to the game manager, it sets the settings button, not the settings menu. Oh gosh, settings panel. There we go. Let's go ahead and just do this. We don't need to load it from the other one. Should be fun. Oh, the camera's blurry. Bruh. Still kind of blurry. All right, well, hopefully it just comes back into focus in a little bit. Start here. course, of course. Okay, let's go ahead and save that. Let's try it again. No. It's gonna be messed up. I didn't unblur it or unactivate it. Gotta love UI, bro. Gotta love UI. Okay, start. Do this. Controls. Back. About. Back. All right, I'm going to do this. I don't like it, but I'm going to do it. And when you open the settings menu, I'm going to set the wait. Yeah. What? Oh, it's lowercase r, obviously. Rounds text dot. Enabled. No. False. And we're gonna do the same thing with the remaining enemies. Remaining enemies text dot enabled equals false. Then when you close the settings menu, send it back to true. It's a little bit unfortunate because I don't want the player to not be able to see what round they're at when they have it paused, but also it essentially just blocks it out, right? Just make sure that this goes away. Okay, it does. Okay. Honestly, let's save this. Let's build settings. Let's take this one off. Let's build it. Whoop, whoop. Okay. This is gonna be version 0.8.0. All right. Guys, that was pretty good. That was pretty good. We're kind of rocking and rolling. Once I do this, so once this is uploaded, I think I'm gonna play through the whole thing in Unity. It's actually no, I'll play it on the website. Play it on the website. Take notes of any bugs or anything. We'll see how that goes. But if we have the remaining time, I'm going to kind of plan out what we're going to do next. I think next is actually just a lot of play testing and small tweaks. I don't know if I want to make small tweaks on stream. Small tweaks are not fun to do on stream. Like features are fun to do on stream. So maybe I'll just I'll do a lot of play testing and we'll make a lot of notes about things that I want to change. And then maybe do some small tweaking, maybe not. I don't know if I want to do that on or off stream. It just depends. If I'm doing like tweaks in between play tests, I feel like that's probably fairly entertaining at least. But I don't want to be like, you know, tweak a little bit and then like, you know, test it for 10 seconds and then be like, no, I don't like that. Like I'll do small tweaks if it's like, all right, go play test 3 or 4 rounds and then be like, all right, that's not quite how I want it. Tweak a little bit, work on it for 10, 15 minutes and then go back and, you know, play it again. So something like that. So that'll depend on just whether I think it'll be fun to watch or not, honestly. And then after we do a bunch of play testing, so honestly, maybe all Wednesday we'll do play testing, but that's kind of a lot. I don't know if I want to do that. That's a lot of play testing. We'll see, but we'll definitely do a lot of play testing on Wednesday, and then I think today, after we play test it, at least like play test it once through, and after we do that, I just kind of want to map out what we want to do, what features we want to work on adding, or like think about adding. So yeah, I think this stream will try and play test, or just honestly just play it once through, see what it feels like, see if there's anything that's blatantly bad about it, and then after we will just try and brainstorm some features that we want to add, and then Wednesday we'll play test. I also think that I want to start, I think like once a month or maybe twice a month, I want to start playing a game instead of making games. Just it'll be a little more entertaining and it'll be like more of an event thing, you know, not doing it every stream, twice a month. So just every once in a while. I don't know what game I'm going to play yet. I have been really into Balatro since like yesterday, because I got it yesterday and I've been addicted since. But that's been good. But I don't know. I've been thinking about doing something where like first sub gets gets to choose what we play or something, but I don't know. We'll see. All right, I'm gonna use the restroom. I'll be right back. All right, it is downloaded. So let's see. Oh my gosh, the camera is terrible, bro. It's horrendous. All right, I'm going to get this going. Gonna compress this one. Go to the frog shooter. At the game. Upload. This zip file. Okay. Oh, guys, I did a really bad job this time keeping the patch notes up to date. Because last time I did 7.1.1. This is the latest and greatest one that I did. Yeah. Okay, well. So I just did movement. The enemies enemies now shoot projectiles with their power up. Enemies now shoot projectiles with their corresponding power up. Enemies cannot shoot while being eaten. Zoomed in camera. Increased arena size. Increased sprite size also. Created round system or arena system. Where bugs come in waves. So we're gonna say, actually, we're gonna say new arena. System. What else do we do? Oh, fixed power up effects not working. We did some of the UI. All right, let's copy this and put it in the devlog, write a new post. Yeah, I would say these are significant changes. All right, we're gonna go ahead and play it. Let's see what we got here. Let's do arena style. I was pushing E. Oh my gosh, they start off with the bomb. One remaining enemy. Where's he at? Where's he at? Oh, just kidding. There's a lot of them. Oh my god. Oh no. Oh. L. I died. That is tragic. No health. Getting no health is actually kind of crazy. For 15 rounds, you don't get any. Like, you get no health regen, which is honestly pretty brutal. we're gonna be real here. That's pretty rough. If I snipe them all, I should be fine though. I mean, one could spawn right here, but oh gosh. How'd that boy get over there? This range needs to be bigger. Oh gosh. Okay. Oh no. Oh no. Oh, we are low on health, bro. Oh gosh. Oh gosh. Oh no. Bro, I'm gonna getting clapped. You have to play to the horizontal advantage of the screen. Also, blind shooting is... Oh, fuck. Round 4, and I'm already down bad. Okay. So, I mean, theoretically, if you just stand here, you don't really need to do anything else, right? As long as you miss. Aiming is not as easy as it looks. I swear it's not. Okay, so... Okay, round 6. We're on round 6 now, boys. We're on round 6. Oh no, I just got cooked. Oh, bro, that is rough. All right. Honestly, it's kind of fun. There's a couple things that need to be fixed though. I'm actually going to fix the power up thing and send it out again because that's just unacceptable. I do this so often too. Like I need to stop forgetting to change it. Oh, and let's increase the bomb radius. Where do we do that? Projectiles, I think. Let's go like 15. And I honestly say we make every enemy move a little faster. So what are we moving at right now? speed is 15. Let's change it to 20. And let's make the player move a little faster also. Let's build settings. Let's build this. Oh shoot, I don't want to show that. This is version 0.8 point like 1.01 honestly. Okay. All right, guys. Honestly, thanks for I'm just gonna wrap up the stream here. But thanks for hopping on. Thanks for joining me. We definitely got a lot done today. Definitely go check out the game. I think it's a pretty good addition to the game. It's not perfect by any means, but it's definitely much better than it was before. So I definitely recommend go check it out. The link is in. I mean, it's right here, but it's also in. Oh, don't want to show that. The link is in the channel description and in my channel bio. You can also search up Battlefrog on itch.io. It'll be there too. I hope you guys have a great rest of your day, and I will see you all on Wednesday.